A quick developmental update from Immerse phase 3. Yes, I am here again to give you latest development update right here in Immerse phase 3. You have seen series of my video from this estate, and today this is the development so far. The last video I made here was just this roof and this roof. The remaining 3 at the back was not roofed. And today every other one down there has been roofed. If you take a look at the perimeter fencing over there, the piping has been done for your street lights within this bungalow section. And behind this unit you are seeing in front, other guys are still there working on the roofing right here in Amen Estate Phase 3. Apart from the bungalow you are seeing here, there are so many other houses right at the back there where construction is still ongoing. Those ones belongs to investors, clients, those that bought in Amen Estate Phase 3 got their allocation, and that's their development you are seeing over there. For the sake of those that are seeing this video for the very first time, Amen Estate Phase 3 is a project owned and managed by Amen City Limited, the owner of Amen Estate Phase 1, Amen Estate Phase 2, and here we are in Amen Estate Phase 3. Of course, you can attest to the development in Amen Estate Phase 1 and Phase 2. Already in Amen Estate Phase 2, we've gotten clinic, standard hospital in Phase 2. In Amen Estate Phase 3, initially we were selling 300 square meter and 500 square meter. As well, this bungalow section you are seeing. The bungalow section was sold out in less than a month. As well, 300 square meter in Amen Estate Phase 3 has been sold out. We are left with 500 square meter right here in this estate. What it means is, if you fail to buy Amen Estate Phase 3 now, the tendency of you missing out on buying Amen Estate Phase 3 is there. Reason is because the probability of this estate to be sold out is like 85% over 100 right now, because we're selling 300 square meter, currently is sold out. We're selling this bungalow, is sold out. So what is remaining right here now is 500 square meter. A deposit of 6 million naira will make you a landlord right here in this estate, and you can spread your payment across 12 months. Don't forget, there was a time Amen Estate Phase 3 was selling as low as 12 million naira. Amen Estate Evolve, we start selling at 18, we sold at 23, we sold at 26, and today the same 500 square meter that was selling at 12 million naira in less than 3 years ago is currently selling at 33 million naira. So are you that investor who is looking for a way to maximize profit using real estate investment opportunity? Consider Amen Estate Phase 3 today. Amen Estate Phase 3 is located at Ayetoro, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, adjacent to the proposed Lekki International Airport, a close proximity to Alaro City, Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Lekki Free Trade Zone, and several other government projects within this location. The notable real estate development and estate within this location are that of Itunu City, Itunu Residential. We have a close proximity to Lekki Aviation Town, a close proximity to Tiwa Garden Phase 1, Tiwa Garden Phase 2, and a close proximity to Tiwa Commercial Hub. All of these developments are within Ayetoro, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. But I can tell you for free that Amen Estate Phase 3 is the only real estate development company who is doing building construction right here in Ayetoro, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Our project in Sierra Estate, Ibeju, Lekki will also kickstart building project as soon as possible. So secure a plot in Amen Estate today, and you will thank me later. The estate comes with a title documentation, C of O, it means your investment is free from government encumbrances. Regional road and every other amenities that you need for your comfort living will be provided as soon as possible. Remember, this bungalow section you are seeing right here is going to be delivered to those who bought in bungalow section on carcass. It means this house unit you are seeing right here is 80% completed to the standard that Amen Estate promised the investors. It means we are going to hand over this house unit you are seeing right here in no distant time from now. And every other investor who invested in this section will have to do their finishing touch. And then once that is done, we will have people living right here in this estate. Behind this house, people has done their roofing, people has done their house standard to even painting level, and people has put in their slide door, their glass and everything. So Amen Estate is going to be habitable as soon as possible. What are you now waiting for? The number scrolling on your screen there is my WhatsApp number and my call line. Give me a call today to secure a plot for yourself for investment purpose or for even family use right here in Amen Estate Phase 3. Let me remind you again, the amenities we are providing here in Immerse Phase 3. For the sake of those that are seeing this video for the very first time, if not, I have done series of video from Immerse Phase 3 right here in ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So the amenities include perimeter fencing, good road network, access to portable water supply, underground drainage system, admin block has been done successful. We've done our car park, we've done the gatehouse, perimeter fencing. The estate street light has been done in front of this estate you are seeing right here. So all you need is a deposit of 6 million naira to secure a plot of 500 square meter right here in Immerse Phase 3. Why not give me a call today? My name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Records TV, a real estate consultant here in Lagos, Nigeria, who promotes affordable, genuine, safe and secure real estate investment opportunity here in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you must miss buying real estate in Lagos, Immerse Phase 3 should not be missed out of your real estate investment portfolio. Give me a call today and you will be glad to make this smart move today. I look forward to see you again in my next video. For now, I say bye and you have yourself a wonderful day.
Let me quickly give you this inside information. Amen Estate Phase 1 has been reopened for sales. So we have limited slot of residential plot available for sale in Amen Estate Phase 1. If you are that investor who has been dreaming of owning a plot or a building, a house in Amen Estate Phase 1, opportunity is open to you right now in Amen Estate Phase 1. The offer is very limited. It means if you are interested in owning a plot in Amen Estate Phase 1, the best time to act is now. The same number you are seeing on your screen, give me a call so I'll be able to guide you through on what you need to know about Amen Estate Phase 1 and how you can secure a plot for yourself in that estate. Remember, just last week we just introduced standard clinic in Amen Estate Phase 2. So living or investing your money in Amen Estate, any of the series, is never a waste. Give me a call today to secure a spot before it is sold out. So many people miss that opportunity, and that's one of the reasons we are introducing Amen Estate Phase 2, Amen Estate Phase 3. But today, great news reaching us that we have limited plot available for sale in Amen Estate Phase 1. Give me a call today to secure a spot for yourself before it is sold out. It is very, very affordable compared to all the estate around Amen Estate Phase 1 corridor. A plot of residential use, 500 square meter, currently selling at 60 million naira. Give me a call right away. Further detailed information on what you need to know will be available right from me. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.